Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Right. Very good evening, guys. Very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our session, as always, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concept which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So, guys, yes, day before yesterday, we have started discussing about control statements day before yesterday. And yes, I told you there are three types of control statements are there, like selection, iteration, and jump statements. Where is it? Yes, three types of statements are there, like selection, iteration, and jump statements. So in selections statements, we'll be having four types of selection statements are there, like if else, if, and switch. So we have already completed if else, if, and switch. Like yesterday's concept in our yesterday's class, we have discussed regarding switch case also. So I told you a lot of important key points which you need to remember in switch case, guys. And I believe yesterday I gave you a small task also. Did you do the task? Yes, I got the programs from Mukesh. I got it. Anand, I got the programs. Mukesh, Anand, and the output like program from Umesh. I got the program. Yes, from Haripriya. Right. No, Haripriya, not exactly like that. That is actually you're directly giving. But what I told is, like, I told you to take three parameters for a method. Two parameters should be numbers, and third parameter should be a symbol. Okay, guys. No. You're directly giving the input. Okay. Anyways. So guys, please observe here. Whenever we are like the question which I gave you is, I requested you to take a method. Okay. Void method one like this method, and that method should accept two parameters. I mean, three parameters. Int num1, comma, int num2, comma, char, operator, operator, like this. Now, for example, when I am trying to call my method one, if I'm trying to call my method one, so I need to pass the parameters here, right? So new class a dot method one number, I'm trying to pass number as 5. I mean, number one as 5, number 2 as 10, and char operator I'll be trying to give as plus, like this. You know that character, guys, this is a character, so I can pass a symbol also. I already told you this particular point. Did I told you that? Yes, like whenever we discussed about primitive data types, I had given you like what are the details which we can pass into this character data type. So basing on this operator, you should be performing switch case. Means this operator should be a key. Operator should be the key. Okay. So basing upon whatever the type of the character which you are giving, you should be performing operations. All right. So kindly please check that once again, guys. Okay. Right. So those are the topics which we had covered in our yesterday's class. And guys, once again, I'm saying you kindly please do remember switch case. In switch case, a lot of important key points are there. Okay. Kindly please don't miss them. And again, I'll be discussing about this switch case when I'm dealing with enum. Guys, enum. Did you remember I told you there are three basic Java programming elements are there, like class, interface, and an enum. Did you remember that? In the very first demo classes I told you. So when I discussed again about enum, at that time, again, I'll be trying to interact, like I will be trying to give you some more information about switch case, right? Right. Not exactly, Krishna, switch case is not exactly like if else if, but in if else if you will be giving conditions. In switch case, you will not be giving any conditions. Okay, you will be giving a key. Kindly please don't get, guys, kindly please don't get confused between if and switch. I already told you that particular point also. In switch, we will not be giving any conditions. I told you. Did you remember that point? Yes, we'll be giving the keys, guys. Key. So basing upon the key, like which key is matching with the particular case label, that particular case will be getting executed like that, like that. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, let us try to go with selection statements. I mean, iteration statements. I'm sorry. Today, we'll be trying to understand iteration statements. Iteration statements. Iteration statements. Okay. Like this, right? Now please keep your citing as iteration statements. Please keep your citing as iteration statements. Like this. Okay, iteration statements. Now note on a small point, guys, for me. Note on a small point. Please note a small point. Java iteration statements. Java iteration statements enable Java iteration statements enable repeated execution. Java iteration statements enable repeated execution of part of a program. Java iteration statements enable repeated execution of part of a program until certain termination condition until certain termination condition becomes true. Until certain termination condition becomes true. Java provides four types of iteration statements. Java provides four types of iteration statements. And I believe you already know what are those four types. Do you know them? Like while, do while. Just a second. Just a second. Hello, Sanjay. Yes, Java provides four types of iteration statements. What are those four? Like while, do while, for, and for each. While, do while, for, and for each. So first, let me try to discuss about while and do while, guys. Let us first try to discuss about while and do while. Okay, first while. Let me try to give the syntax of while here. While, 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 and here I need to give the condition, condition, and after that open braces and close braces, open braces and close braces, like that. This is the simple syntax for while condition. Literally very simple syntax for while condition. Okay, now let me try to give the syntax for do while also. Do while also. Now do while, first we need to write do, open braces, close braces, and some data. After that while, and here we need to give the condition. We need to give the condition, and most important point is in do while, after writing while, we need to give the semicolon. We need to give the semicolon, guys. Pretty much damn sure. Okay. So kindly please don't forget this particular point. We need to give the semicolon. Okay. Now this is the syntax for while. Just let me try to mark it like this. This is the syntax for while, and this is the syntax for do while. Just let me try to write here while syntax, while syntax, and do while syntax, do while syntax. Now, so guys, let me explain you this. Let me explain you how this particular process will be going on in while and do while. Right now, guys, whenever the compiler came across this while, guys, right now I'm speaking about while condition. Okay. Whenever the compiler came across while, first it will checks the condition. It will checks the condition. If the condition is true, then enter into this block. How many statements I'm having in this block? How many statements I'm having in this block? Two statements, exactly, two statements. So first statement will be getting executed. Second statement will be getting executed. After executing the second statement, again it will checks the condition. And if the condition is true, again the compiler will be entering into the block. Again, first statement will be getting executed. Second statement will be getting executed. Means after executing all the statements which were present inside the while loop, guys, literally we can write any number of statements. Like it is not limited like you need to write only one statement, two statements, three statements like that. No, you can write any number of code. Okay. So what I want to say is after executing all the statements inside the while loop, then again compiler will be checking the condition, and if the condition is true, again enter. So this process will continue. Compiler will iterate like this until the condition is false. Until the condition is false. If the condition is false, then directly, compiler will not enter into this block. As simple as this. Are you understanding me, guys? For example, whenever the compiler came across while loop for the first time, whenever the compiler came to the while loop, and if the condition is false, for the first time only, if the condition is false, then compiler will not enter into this while loop. Like this piece of code, block of code which you have written inside the while loop will not be getting executed. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Exactly. So the process will continue like this, like from after executing that, again checking the condition. If the condition is true, again enter into the loop. So the compiler will iterate until the condition is false. That is the only reason these are known as iteration statements. Iteration statements means executing a piece of code again and again until the condition is false. Now, what is actually do while loop? Guys, in do while loop, literally I am asking the compiler, literally I am insisting the compiler to do. Okay, inside this, how many statements I have written? Two statements. So first statement will be getting executed. Second statement will be getting executed. After executing the first statement and second statement, then the compiler will be checking the condition. If the condition is true, okay, again enter into the do loop. If the condition is false, that's it. The compiler will not enter into the loop again. Are you getting me, guys? Now, the main difference between while and do while is while loop will be getting executed only if the condition is what? While loop will be getting executed only if the condition is true. Exactly. When you're coming to do while, irrespective of the condition, like whether the condition is true or false, that does not matter. Irrespective of the condition, the code will be getting executed at least for once. Am I right or wrong, guys? In do while loop, irrespective of the condition, whether the condition is true or false, it does not matter. At least for once, the code will be getting executed. Sir, what if the condition is true? Okay, it will be iterated. If the condition is true, again, the compiler will be entering into the do loop. If the condition is false, that's it, done, close. I hope you are understanding me, guys. Shall we see the code now? Let's go. Okay. Now, okay, just let me try to have void method one like this, and system.out.println. Let me just try to write this as method one like this, and I want to take, let me try to take a parameterizer method like int a. Now while, and here I'll be writing system.out.println method one executd, method one executed, like that. Method one executed, as simple as this. Now, right, what we need to write here, what compiler is expecting, like it is expecting a condition, right? Exactly. Okay, let us try to write a condition, guys. So a should be less than or equal to 10. Oh, sorry, outside the condition. Okay, a should be less than or equal to 10. System.out.println, and here I'm writing a value plus a. That's it. A value plus a. Now after that, let me please go to my main method. Now inside my main method, let me try to give like create an object, please. New class a. I'm creating an object equal to aobj belongs to class a, like that. Now aobj dot method one, I'm trying to call my method one, and I'm giving a value as 1. Now guys, can you please tell me how many times my a value will be printed? How many times my a value will be printed? Right. I got only 2 correct answers up to now. I got only 2 correct answers. 3. Yeah, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, guys, do you know what? For example, please observe here. Method 1. Okay. We are passing a value as, what is a value, guys? Guys, please help me out. A value is 1. A value is 1. Okay. So if a value is 1, right. System.out.println method 1. Okay. That will be printed. After that, while a is less than or equal to 10. What is a value again? A value is 1. Is it less than or equal to 10? Yep. Of course, it is less than or equal to 10. And what is the final output, guys? The output is true. True. Of course, it is true. And as the condition is true, compiler will be entering into the while loop. Okay. I can write any number of statements. Again, I'm saying you kindly please don't think like I need to write only one statement. No, according to our programming requirements, we can write multiple statements, no issues. Okay, now a value. What is a value, guys? I mean, in the console, what will be my output? A value is 1 will be printed. All right. Now, are there any statements left behind in while loop? Are there any statements left behind in while loop? No. All the statements got executed. If, like, as I told you, if all the statements got executed, then again my compiler, what my compiler will be doing? It will be going and, come on. It will be going and, exactly. It will be going and checking the condition again. Yep. Okay. Again, what is the condition? A value should be less than or equal to 10. Yes, 1 less than or equal to 10. Again, true. Okay. Enter into the loop. System.out.println A value. Okay, A, one more time. After that, one more time. After that, one more time, one more time, one more time. So we will be getting did not write any termination condition. We did not give any termination statement. Are you understanding me, guys? Did you got an idea right now what is an iteration? Exactly. For example, if we are going with if else, are we going to get like this? If else, no, only once. Whatever the code which you have written inside that block will be getting executed only for once. But when you are speaking about iteration statements, no. Again and again until the condition is false. Are you understanding me? Sundar, is it clear, Nana? Right. Now, okay. Now, for example, if I'm trying to give A plus plus, if I'm trying to give A plus plus, now what happens? Exactly. A value will be printed for how many times? Guys, less than or equal to. I have given less than or equal to. So A value will be printed for 10 times. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Okay, this is how while loop will be getting executed. For example, let me go with like void method 2. Guys, come on, be interactive, don't sit idle, be interactive. Okay, int A. Okay, now just let me try to go with like one more method. Just let me make this as method 2, guys. Okay, now, all right, guys, I'm pretty much damn sure you can answer this question. I'll do one thing, just let me try to remove this, and this is system.out.println. Okay, method 2 executed, now here I'm giving A should be less than or equal to 15. It's okay. Okay, A should be less than or equal to, let me go with 20. A should be less than or equal to 20. And here I'll be giving system.out.println A value, A value, okay, plus, sorry, A value plus A value plus A, like that. And method to execution completed. Okay, that's it. Hang on. I forgot to write A plus plus. Write that. A plus plus. Okay. Now, if I'm trying to call my method 2, aobj dot method 2, and I'm giving the value as 15. I'm giving A value as 15. Okay. Now tell me what is my output? How many times A value will be printed? Right. Guys, I'm actually getting mixed answers, but do me a favor. What is the difference between method 1 and method 2? Do me a favor, please tell me what is the difference between method 1 and method 2. In method 1, for while we are having braces. For method 2, we are not having any braces. Did we discuss any this kind of similar concept in if else? Now, kindly please remember that concept and tell me what is my possible expected output. Like how many times A will be printed? How many times A will be printed? Like I'll be trying to call only method 2. How many times A will be printed? Guys, please come out from selection statements. Selection statements will be executed only for once. If the condition is true, those statements will be getting executed only for once. Right now, we are discussing about iteration statements. Iteration statements. Right, right, exactly, guys. Do you know what? We will be getting A value as 15 for infinite times. Infinite times, guys. Sir, why we are getting infinity? Guys, why? Because here we did not write any braces. If we did not write any braces, how many statements will be dependent on that condition, guys? Only one. Only one. Right. So after executing this statement, again my compiler will be going to check that condition. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. Are you understanding me, guys? Why will we be getting infinite loop here? Exactly. So method 2 generates it it generates an infinite loop. It generates an infinite loop. And guys, in that single statement, can I write any declarative statements? Can I write any declarative statements? For example, int x equal to 90 like that. Can I write like that? No. A big no. I cannot write like that. Declarative statements are not allowed. Not allowed. Sir, I want to write a declarative statement. Then what you need to do, guys? Then what we need to do? Okay, hang on. Okay, Krishna, you're asking a reason. Okay, Krishna, point number one. These are syntax rules. For example, Krishna, like how many balls will be there in a over? Like I'm speaking about cricket. 6. Okay, why 6? Why can't we have 10? Why can't we have 10, buddy? Why they had kept as 6? As simple as it is. Yeah, you are saying BCCI fixed it. Why it fixed it like 10? I mean 6. Why it fixed it like 6? Why can't 4? Why can't 5? Why can't 3? Did you understand the point, buddy? Exactly. Now, exactly, guys. These are syntactical rules. Right. Now here, okay, this is, of course, I cannot have a declarative statement. Sir, I want to have a declarative statement. Guys, any suggestions? If 100% I want to write, 100% I want to write declarative statement. Any ideas, please tell me? Exactly. Guys, if I want to write declarative statement, then what I need to do? I need to write flower braces. Okay, just let me try to write like this and something like this. Flower braces. Then fine. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Now, right now, if you are writing flower braces also, am I going to get infinite loop? Am I going to get infinite loop? Yeah, guys, A++ is outside the block. Check the code correctly, right? Exactly. So let me just try to keep this in comment so that you will be getting an idea here. Okay. So method 2 generates an infinite loop. Okay. Now let me come to one more method, void method 3 like this. Okay. Let me go with like int a like this and system.out.println. Let me go with like method 3 here, please. Method 3. And okay. Now while and okay, I'm giving the condition. Okay, wait for it, before going the condition. Just let me try to go with like a value and a plus plus like this. And here, okay, system.out.println method 3 executed, method 3 executed like that. Okay, now remember I did not give any condition here. Okay, now just let me try to call my aobj dot method 3 and I am giving a value as 1. I am giving a value as 1. Okay, right now here a value is 1, guys. Now my question is, guys, yeah, compiler, of course compiler will be accepting, like it is expecting here condition, but ultimately it will be expecting either true or false. What do you say, guys? Am I right or wrong? Yeah, obviously, like it will be expecting true or false. Okay, can we write directly true here? Can we write true? Actually, we have used this kind of concept in if else also. Did you remember that? In if else also I had used this concept. Yes, yes, I told you guys, if you're writing true, we'll be getting a dead code. I told you that, right? Okay, now tell me, can I write true? Yes or no? So yeah, most of the people are saying yes, some people are saying no. Okay, anyways, now guys, if I'm writing true, am I going to get any error? Am I going to get any error? I'm not saying warning, error. Okay, now please observe here, guys. Please observe here. TRUE, true. Am I getting an error? Guys, observe line number 32. What are you doing? Observe line number 32. Am I getting an error? Yes, I will be getting an error. Why? Because, guys, why? Because compiler will never come out from this loop. Always the condition is true. It will never come out. In if else, if the condition is true, okay, some code will be getting executed and after that the compiler will be coming out. So there you are getting a warning. But here the compiler will never come out, guys. So tell me one thing, is line number 32, is it reachable by the compiler? Nope, it is not reachable by the compiler. So it is known as, what is that? It is known as unreachable code. Exactly. Guys, there is a difference between unreachable code and dead code. Okay, dead code, you will not be getting any error. You will be just getting a warning. That's it. Unreachable code, yes, you will be getting a compile time error. Compile time error. I hope it's clear, guys. So just let me try to remove this. I mean, just keep it in comment and I am writing it as unreachable code, because just let me try to write like this, BACAUSC, because it is unreachable code, like that. Now, for example, if I'm executing my program, what is my expected output? Like a value will be, yeah, 1 will be printed infinity times. 1 will be printed infinity times. No, 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 not one, not one, not one, guys. A plus plus here, not one. A value will be so on incremented. Is it clear, guys? Like that, like that. Sir, what happens if I'm giving false here? What happens if I'm giving false? If I'm giving false, F-A-L-S-E, whatever the code which is present inside the while loop is unreachable code. And guys, unreachable, unreachable. Use the word unreachable, not dead code. I mean, normal technology you can use like that, but dead code, you will not be getting any error. You will be just getting a warning. Try to use the terminology correctly, guys. Okay. This is actually an unreachable code. So yeah, of course, we can give true like that. And if you are giving true, whatever the code which you have written outside the while will be unreachable code. As simple as this. I hope it's clear, guys. Now, let me go with one more method, void method 4, void method 4, and let me make it like int a. Now, I want to write do while loop, guys. Do while. Okay. Now, please observe here. Okay, this is p and method 4 like that. Method 4. Okay. Now, right. Do system.out.println a value, a value plus a value plus a, like that. Okay. Now after that, what I'll be trying to do, just let me try to write while, while. Guys, I advise you to write the running notes. I told you, don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. Please write the running notes also, so that the points, valid points, you will be getting that. Okay. Of course, I'll be giving you the notes. That is pretty much damn sure. But writing running notes, like, it would be like a double impact. You will not forget. As simple as it is. Okay. Right. Okay. Now here, I'm going to give a condition. A should be less than or equal to 10 like this. Okay. A should be less than or equal to 10. Now, guys, am I forgetting anything? Oh, hang on. A plus plus. A plus plus. Okay. Now, am I forgetting anything? Exactly. What I'm forgetting? What I'm forgetting? Guys, I literally told you, please don't forget that semicolon. If you are not writing semicolon, you will be getting an error. For while, you will not be having any semicolon. Syntax of while, you will not be having any semicolon. For syntax of do while, pretty much damn sure you will be having a semicolon, guys. Okay. Most of the time in interviews, like when we ask a program to write on do while, I mean, we'll be asking a program to write on a paper, right? So students will be forgetting to write this semicolon. It's not like they don't know. It's more like they will forget. So, but not my students. You should never forget this point. I hope it's clear, guys, right? Okay. So, okay, let me try to write that semicolon also here, as simple as this, right? Okay. Now, please observe here, guys. Please observe here. AOBJ dot method 4, and I am giving a value as 20. A value as 20. All right. So here a value is 20 right now. Now tell me what is my expected output, guys. Okay, tell me one thing. Okay, hang on here. Just let me try to write system.out.println method 4 executed, please. Okay, hang on. Method 4 executed. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Line number 36 will be printed. Is line number 36 is going to get printed? Yep, of course, it will be printed. And line number 39 will be printed. Yes, guys, I told you, in do while, irrespective of the condition, forget about the condition, whatever the condition which you are giving, forget about that. First, the code will be getting executed. So yes, this will be printed. And what is A value? A value will be incremented to 21. Exactly. A value will be incremented to 21. Okay, then checking the condition. While A is less than or equal to 10. Is A less than or equal to 10? Is A less than or equal to 10? Nope. The condition is false. Literally, the condition is false. So method 4 will be printed. A value, that is here, A value will be 20. And okay, for example, if I'm trying to print here plus A, now here, what is my output? Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Is it clear, guys? I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Exactly. For example, guys, for example, if I'm giving A value as 5, if I'm giving A value as 5, now what happens? Okay, A value will be printed for once. I mean, first this will be getting executed. Value will be 5. After that, incremented. Okay, A value got incremented. Checking the condition. 6 is less than or equal to 10. Of course, 6 is less than or equal to 10. Again, enter into this loop. So after that, 6 will be printed, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10. Up to 10, it will be printed. After that, after printing 10, A value will be incremented to what? 11. Exactly. A value will be incremented to 11. Checking the condition, is A less than or equal to 10? No, the condition is false. So system.out.println method for executed, and A value will be 11. Like that. So 5 to 10 and then 11. Right click, run as Java application. We'll be getting our output like this. Am I clear with everyone, guys? Is it clear for everyone? Guys, kindly please do remember, for while loop, first it will checks the condition. For while, it will checks the condition. For do while, irrespective of the condition, it will be getting executed at least for once. I hope it's clear, guys. Okay, now let me try to go with one more method, please. One more method. Okay, void, one more method, void method 5. Let me make it like int A, like this. Now here, all right, let me do one thing. System.out.println. This is method 5. This is method 5. Now I'm going to write do system.out.println, system.out.println, and here, okay, let me go with like A, sorry, A value like this, A value like this, and A plus plus, A plus plus, okay, and after that, while WHILE, while like this. Now, okay, hang on, sorry, let me remove this, while, and here A should be less than or equal to, let me go with like 5. A should be less than or equal to 5, like this. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Guys, observe line number 49. Please observe line number 49. What we are getting? We are getting an error. We are getting an error, right? Are we getting an error? Okay. Okay, guys, kindly please do remember. Guys, kindly please do remember. We are getting an error because guys, there should not be any statements. Just let me try to write like this. There should not be any statements between do while. There should not be any statements between do while. Means, for example, guys, here do block ends with line number 41. Now after do, can I write like this system.out.println? Okay, just let me try to write like this system.out.println, and here I am having HELLOWORLD, hello. Can I write like this? No, like we can't. I hope you're understanding, my guys. Am I right or wrong? This will generate a compile time error. Guys, after do, what you should be having? After do, what you should be having? While. Exactly. Exactly. Now here, why we are getting an error? And can you please tell me, if I want to remove that error, what I need to do? I don't want to write braces. I don't want to write braces. Tarun, very good. Tarun, Pooja, good. Sridhar, Madhu, Abhishek, nice. Krishna, nice. Datta, yes. Guys, here in do, only line number 50 is dependent on this do. Am I right or wrong? Line number 51 is not dependent on do. So why we are getting an error here? Same manner here also we'll be getting an error. If I am trying to keep this in comment, right now, am I getting any error? Am I getting any error? No, I am not getting any error. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Now, right now, if I'm executing my AOBJ dot method 5 and a value I am giving as 1. Now what happens? Now what happens? How many times A will be printed? How many guys, don't give fast outputs. Don't give fast outputs. Think. Guys, I don't want fast outputs, please. I want correct outputs. Take time, think, guys. You can do this. Exactly. Exactly. Infinity times. A value will be printed for infinite. Guys, I am not using any increment operator here, right? So all first do, okay. After that, checking the condition, done. If the condition is true, yeah, of course, always the condition is true, and enter into this loop. Are you understanding the concept here, guys? Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Right. So this also generates an infinite loop. It generates an infinite loop. And guys, one more thing, if you are getting an infinite loop, here you will be having a small red color symbol. Can you see this? Can you see this? Please give a click on that. It will terminate the process. If you give a click on that, the process will be terminated. As simple as this. Okay. So this generates an infinite loop. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Right? So one more time, I'm saying you guys, if we are not writing flower braces, only one statement is dependent on this do. The next statement, immediately whatever the next statement which you are writing, that will be like a statement between do and while. No, that is not allowed. That is the only reason you will be getting a compile time error. Is it clear, guys? Yes. Yes. Right. Right. Wait for that. Upendra, wait for that. Wait for that. Guys, do me a favor. Can you please have this program for me? Please have this program for me, guys, please. Puja, depends upon the memory, Amma. Like stack memory is full. Yes, you'll be getting that. Please. Please have this program. Don't copy paste, guys. Don't copy paste. Please don't copy paste. Understand the code. You know the code. You damn sure. I'm pretty much damn sure you know the code. So please don't copy paste. Guys, method one complete for everyone. Is method one completed for everyone? Is method one completed for everyone? Okay, I'm moving down. Please. Yeah, please write the code. Please write the code. Depending on the condition, Amma Durga. Please check that correctly. Okay. Okay. Right. So Abhishek is asking me for interview purpose, what is important, theory or program? Both, Abhishek. I cannot say one. Whatever the Ravi, if method one is infinity times, for example, I'm saying you, if method one, any method, if any method is getting infinite times executed, other methods will not be getting executed, buddy. They will not be getting executed. Okay. It will never come out, na? Okay, guys, I got a question from Raja Rao. Like, sir, static variable insertion in while condition is possible. Anyone wants to answer this question? Static variable. Can we write a static variable inside the while loop? That is a question. Anyone wants to answer this question? Right. Very good. Okay, guys, did you remember I told you static variables can never be dash? Static variables can never be dash. Local variables. Exactly. Static variables can never be local variables. If you are writing a static variable inside a while loop, Rajarao, obviously that would be like a local variable. Am I right? So can we write a static variable inside a while loop, buddy? No, we cannot. You need to remember the concepts. Guys, please read the concepts, guys. Read the concepts. I'm requesting you, please read the concepts. Okay, guys, Java is such a language. At class time, you will be thinking like it is very, very easy, fine, no issues. But if you are not practicing, you will forget. Please don't make that happen, guys. And again, once again, I'm saying you, all Java entries are same. Those are easy. Please don't make it complicated. I'm requesting you. Okay. Right. Okay, guys, I hope it's complete for everyone. Team will be there, Shrikant. Team will be there. Yeah, final is permitted, Prakash, but I did not discuss anything about final, right? Right. Right. All right, guys. All right. So, guys, actually, I want to start with one more concept, that is for loop. But if I started for loop, it is going to take 1 hour time. What do you say? Shall we continue or tomorrow? What is your opinion? Okay, most of the people are saying tomorrow. I understand, guys. I understand. Most of the people are saying tomorrow. Okay. All right. And guys, one more thing, I'm advising you, kindly please have, like, if you're trying to listening to this class by mobiles, make sure you are having a good data, guys, mobile data. I'm requesting you. Okay. Please check with that. All right. All right, guys. All right. So guys, that's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue with our new topic, that is tomorrow, by using for loop, guys. Okay. Wait for the tasks, guys. Like I will be giving you multiple tasks simultaneously. Can you please wait for that? All right. Wait for it. Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Right. All right, guys. Asma, all these methods will be getting different outputs will be there. For example, if I'm trying to run all these methods, obviously I'll be getting an output, like I'll be getting infinite loop here. So method 3, method 4, method 5 will not be getting executed. Am I right? Right. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. More Gaurav, you're asking more content today would be good and leave. No. Okay, Gaurav, I understand your things there, but the thing is like I'll not be giving any leave tomorrow. That is for damn sure. And most of the students are having mobile data, guys. Like they are messaging me through chats. So that is the reason. Okay. All right, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue with remaining concepts by tomorrow, guys. Okay. Right. So thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. We'll be trying to continue session again by tomorrow. And have a great day, guys. Have a great day. Thank you, guys. Thank you.